Hey, assalamu alaikum everybody. So it's Jenna J, that's me, the hijabi from TNT, but I'm actually not in Trinidad right now. I am here in Grenada. The last time I was in Grenada, actually, we went into Real Valley Supermarket, which is located in Spiceland Mall, and I noticed that there was halal meat. There was halal goat, halal lamb, and halal beef. I did not see any chicken, but I was not prepared to cook anything last time I was visiting. This time I knew I had to definitely cook up something for y'all, just because I'm in Grenada, and of course because there's JGM products which can be found in Real Value and also many of the leading supermarkets in Grenada. I'm going to do some potatoes, some vegetables, and of course some lamb. So for the lamb, I basically just added some garlic powder, some parsley. Yes, I actually even put a pinch of roasted jeera in there. Of course, some ginger powder, some paprika, some thyme, and some cayenne pepper. Now this is my special mix, a special blend of seasonings that I like to use when I am doing any sort of beef or even lamb, and I like to let it marinate overnight preferably. So I have done that here already, and I am going to be just doing everything all together so that we can save on some time. I have some broccoli and some onions, some chopped mushrooms, some carrots, and I have some potato on the stove that I am just going to do a garlic butter potato. I just added, I have my carrots cooking. I just added in some broccoli, some onions, and some sweet peppers, and now I am adding some Thai fried rice seasoning, fried rice and vegetable seasoning. I also added some butter to it. For the potatoes, I added some garlic powder. I'm adding a pinch of this cayenne pepper just to have some spice. Also some paprika and some thyme.
Gonna have a good time with that thyme.
So there you go, guys, and I'm throwing in some olive oil. So this is what our finished product looks like, guys. I did some cooking in Grenada for the first time. I did some lamb, topped with some portobello mushrooms, some potatoes, and some vegetables, and it was so exciting. Of course, done all with my favorite products, JGM products, of course, which are available throughout the island, across the island, in major leading supermarkets. So be sure you pick up your favorite packs of JGM products right here in Grenada.